Everybody, it's your Blockhead Health and Wellness snippet of the day. Actually, what I want to talk to you guys about, I'm going to do a series of videos on a non-invasive treatment called EECP. Okay, you've probably heard me touch on it in other videos. It's called Enhanced External Counterpulsation, EECP. Okay, I'm going to set some foundational information here. So I'm going to talk about it. It addresses the vascular system. So in this video, what I want to do is just break up the vascular system into two halves, a micro and macro, and just explain what those are briefly, and so we can move on to some of the other topics I want to hit on. But your vascular system, again, if we break it up into two parts, macro meaning big, micro meaning small. Okay, and vascular system is just that blood flow. It's how your blood flows through your body. So we're talking about big pathways and small pathways. Macrovascular pathways would be to major organs in your body, like the heart, the liver, kidneys, the brain, the lungs. Those would be considered macrovascular pathways. Microvascular pathways is just smaller pathways. Eyes, ears for hearing. Again, smaller pathways. Libido would be considered, for men and women, would be considered a microvascular pathway. So again, macro meaning big, micro meaning small, vascular systems meaning blood flow pathways. And check out the next video. We're going to be talking about heart disease and the systemic process. Stay tuned.